Hello designers, hello amazing designers. You're welcome to class. Sorry if you're meeting me for the very first time. My name is Maria Isiche. Welcome to my online class. This is the Mary's Design and Fashion Academy. So welcome to class. Yes, let's jump right into the class. Like I said, we'll be cutting a shirt in this class. So I'll be showing you one of the simplest method of cutting shirts. We'll be taking our button and buttonhole allowance, which is 2 inches. So I'll be marking 2 inches. I hope you can see the markings. I'm marking 2 inches. And the shirt length is 18 inches. Our shirt length is 18. Okay, this is our button allowance, 2 inches please. So I'll be cutting it. So this is, I'll be folding this marking, these are our 2 inches. I'll be folding it in this way so that I'll press it down with our iron to hold it. Then after pressing it down, this is what we have. So the back will be bigger than the front with 2 inches. So this is it. You can see. So I will cut out. You see what I mean by I will be cutting them together before I administer measurement. This is what we have. This is our back and this is our front. Okay. Remember, we're taking 2 inches for our button and buttonhole allowance. So how did we arrive at this? Let me go over it again. I said from the beginning of the class that we'll be cutting the back and the front together. Place them together before we administer measurement. And how do you cut the back and the front together? The back is bigger than is longer in length than the front because it will come on it this way. You understand? That is why it's bigger. That is why in our shirts you see that the shoulder comes to the front a bit. It's not exactly on the shoulder. When you see our shirts, you can check your shirts that you have at home. You will understand what I'm saying. So this excess will be folded on it this way. Hope you understand. Okay, so the next thing to do, we'll join them together and we'll take our shoulder slants. So the shoulder I'll be working with, I will slant it with 1.5 inches. This way, remember that excess. Okay, I'll slant it with 1.5 inches and connect it to this tip here. And I'll cut. Do you see? So I'll pull it down and fold it, and make sure that I'm placing it on top of here with 1/2 inch. Okay, that's 1/2 inch. Can you see what I'm saying? I'm placing it on top with 1/2 inch. Can you see? So I'll go ahead and iron it down, and iron it so that I will secure it in place. Iron it down. Can you see? I've ironed it down. Now I will administer measurements. So the neck I'm working with 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. Okay, this is my 2.5, and I'll mark 2.5 down too. I'll connect it. And for this back, I'll just curve it this way. My shoulder measurement is 6 inches. In getting your armhole, whatever your chest is, divide it by 5 and add 1 to it. So do yours and impute it here. Okay? Your chest divide by 5 plus 1 will give you your armhole. So do your own and impute the measurement. So you take everything you have, divide it by 2 to get the midpoint. Then you connect. For adult, you come out by 1 inch. For a kid, 1/2 inch. For adults, you come out by 1 inch, but for a kid, 1/2 inch. Okay. Remember, you have your back and your front together, so don't make mistake of cutting all the back. This is the front. Just raise it up and cut out only the leg for the front. Don't go and cut your back along with your front. I hope you see the way I'm taking it. I hope you see the way I'm taking it. Then you cut your armhole. Whatever your chest divide by 4, you impute it plus your sewing allowance. Okay, 1 inch for sewing allowance. So you impute it. Then this hemline, you go up by 1.5 inch. You go up by 1.5 inch. Then you give a very nice curve. That curve that shirts usually have. Okay? You give a very nice curve there. You open up this front. You open it up. Can you see what I'm doing? This button, you know, is we cut the two front, the left and the right side. We cut them together. So you open it up. This is our back. This is our front. So this 2 inches allowance, we are going to fold it. But first thing is that you will add a gum stay, paper gum, to the one at the left hand side. That is where the buttonhole is. Okay, So you add the paper gum to it and then you fold it. Let me show you how to fold it. You first of all fold it in. You know we left 2 inches. Fold it in 1 inch. Fold it in by 1 inch. Okay, then you can finish it up by the other 1 inch to complete your 2 inch that you left, and you press it down.